Welcome back to Cyber Ethix Hack. We have officially entered a terrifying new era of cyber warfare. Hackers are no longer just using AI to write phishing emails. They are deploying autonomous LLM agents inside corporate networks to hunt for vulnerabilities on their own. Today, we are breaking down the critical Marimo vulnerability, CVE-2026-39987. We will expose how attackers are using AI agents for lightning-fast post-exploitation, and most importantly, how your blue team can defend against it. The attack chain starts with Marimo, a highly popular open-source reactive Python notebook used by data scientists globally. Attackers are exploiting a newly discovered remote code execution vulnerability, tracked as CVE-2026-39987. Stay tuned to learn how your blue team can defend against this next-generation threat. By tricking a victim into opening a maliciously crafted notebook file, the attacker instantly gains an initial foothold on the target machine. In the past, the hacker would now manually scan the network. But today, they hand the keys over to an AI. Once the initial breach happens, the attacker deploys an autonomous LLM agent. This is a lightweight script that connects back to a powerful AI model. This agent acts as a virtual, high-speed pen tester inside your perimeter. It automatically runs network discovery commands, reads the output, and makes logical decisions on where to pivot next. If it hits a firewall, the AI analyzes the error and writes a custom Python script on the fly to bypass it. It identifies sensitive databases, steals credentials, and exfiltrates data at a speed human hackers simply cannot match. Traditional malware follows a fixed set of rules, making it predictable, but an LLM agent is dynamic and adapts in real time. So how do we stop an AI? First, patch the Marimo vulnerability immediately and isolate all data science environments using strict containerization. Your Python notebook should never have unrestricted access to your internal network. Second, you must monitor outbound API traffic. These LLM agents rely on communicating with external AI models. By blocking unauthorized outbound traffic to known LLM APIs at the firewall level, you effectively lobotomize the attacker's AI. Finally, deploy behavioral EDR solutions that look for impossible speeds of execution. Humans do not write custom bypass scripts in 3 seconds, but AI does. Subscribe to Cyber Ethix Hack for the latest threat intelligence. Stay secure, and see you in the next video. First, patch the Marimo vulnerability immediately, and isolate all data science environments using strict containerization. Your Python notebook should never have unrestricted access to your internal network.